Hello everyone, welcome to another video where I'm going to explain a little bit about the lesson we'll be studying. Today we're going to work on the features of the map. I hope you're all doing well, you're staying safe and staying inside. Let's begin. Now the features of the map is a representation of an area. A map is a representation of an area. It is usually presented on a flat surface. Maps give useful information such as locations of countries, cities, roads, important landmarks, and the spatial relationship between these. Spatial means the distance, what is between one thing and the other. I'll give you an example in Spanish. If yo vengo de Sabana Grande, voy a pasar por San Germán antes de llegar a Hormigueros. La relación espacial entre Sabana Grande y Hormiguero es San Germán. Maps have many elements to help people read the information in them. Some of these features are the title, the scale, the key or legend, and the compass rose. The title. The title will tell the user what the map is about. It is usually located at the top. Map of the United States of America. These are the states. This is the mainland United States, and these are the outside mainland United States. That's states. I'm sorry. Scale. The scale is the relationship of a distance on the map with the distance in real life. Scales help users calculate real distances using smaller measurements that fit on a smaller surface. As you can see at the bottom here in the image, you have numbers and colors and lines. This represents a scale. It says that one continue. I can't read that, too small. Let's continue. Key or legend. The key or legend of a map tells the user what each symbol of the color means. Symbols are small drawings used to represent the places like mountains, schools, hospitals, and churches, among others. You can see a complete map toolkit at the bottom. This is a compass rose, a bus, a taxi, a train station. This could be a highway, a bridge. As you can see, all this information is necessary if you're going to use it, if you're going to use a map. The compass rose. A compass rose is a symbol on the map that shows the four cardinal directions. The four cardinal directions are north, east, south, and west. Us, right now, are in the west of Puerto Rico. The four cardinal directions are, yeah, we already explained this. There's a little mnemonic for you to learn them. If you have a difficulty memorizing the cardinal points, try the following: never eat soggy waffles. The cardinal directions can help travelers know in what direction they must go in order to reach a place. Now, it's funny because once upon a time we didn't have these, so we use the stars, right? And certain stars will always come up in a very particular space according to the time of the year. So that's how we knew where was north or where was east before we had charted a map. They can be combined for additional directions: northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. The little girl says, let's imagine that we have to travel from one place to another. We will use the map on the left as an example. Observe the title, the compass rose, and the key below. This is the town map. The scale is 1 centimeter equals 1 mile. A centimeter is a unit of measurement of the imperial school, I think it's called. The key says food court, school, stadium, hospital, supermarket, gas station. As you can see, you can identify all of these here. Look, there's even a picture for the food court. School. There's a great game that I recommend to all of you. It's called Sin City, where you build your own city. A person wants to travel from the food court, point A, to the supermarket, point B. Right here. So from here to here. That looks nothing like, okay. So let's see how we do it. The best way to get there is to trace the roads that can take you to the place you want. Observe the roads traced. From here, there you go. Each line measurement can help the map user calculate the actual distance of travel. 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 0.5 centimeters, boom, 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 0.5 centimeters. That means that there's 2 plus 2, 4, plus 0.5 plus 0.5, that's 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So it's 5 miles away. Directions would be two miles southeast until you reach the stadium. Turn right and head south for 2 miles. Turn left and head northeast for half a mile. Turn right and in half a mile you will reach the supermarket. Let's practice with some more places on the map. Over here, at point A. Over here we have point B. Now we want to get from point A to point B. We follow the road and then we check how we're going to say it. For example, 1 centimeter equals 1 mile. Well, you go 1 mile and then you turn left. Then you turn right and you go another mile. Then you're going to turn left at the stadium for half a mile and then right at the stadium, next to the stadium, for another mile. Let's see if the directions are correct. Get from point A, use the purple lines and symbol measurements arrows. Let's see another example. It says go 1 mile east, and take the first right. Head south for another mile and turn the first left. After half a mile, turn right. After 1 mile, you will reach the hospital. Remember, there are different ways of giving directions and many ways to reach the same place. Now read the directions and try to reach the destination. Head east for 1 mile and at the intersection, keep going east for another 2 miles. Head east for 1 mile, but it says 2 miles here. By the way, an intersection is a place where 2 or more roads meet or cross. At the end of the intersection, continue straight, heading southeast for 1 mile. Turn left and head northeast for 1 mile until you reach the destination. Where do the directions lead to? Well, if we follow this, it leads from to a gas station. Okay, there you go. You can practice by choosing other places to travel to. This could be actually fun. Good. That's about it for the lesson. Thank you for listening and following me along. I know this was a little rocky, but let's finish this part and we can continue with the lesson. Okay? Thank you very much. This is Mr. Marty signing off. Have a great Semana Santa.